On behalf of the Essex Registration Service, I would like to welcome you all to the beautiful Gaynes Park to celebrate the marriage of Jake Daniel Duran and Lauren Maisie Siegler.
To my perfect bride on our wedding day. So we have done it. The day is here. In a few short hours, I'll be waiting for you at the end of the aisle. Each time I think about the moment our eyes met, our hands touch and we take our vows, I can't help but smile and remember how lucky I am to have you.
To my gorgeous fiancé, and very soon husband-to-be, I can't believe the day has finally come. The day I get to marry my best friend. I've been dreaming about this moment since I was a little girl, and I can't be happier that it's with you. I really can't put into words how happy you make me. Let's go get married and get this party started. See you at the end of the aisle. I love you so much. Lots of love. Your little Loz.
Jake and Lauren see their marriage as a promise of hope between two people who love each other, who honour one another as individuals and who wish to share their future. They now wish to affirm their relationship in your presence as they start their new life together.
Lauren and Jake, when you look into each other's eyes today and say these two special words, I do, your hearts will share that special bond of pure, true love. A whole new exciting chapter of your lives is about to unfold, and the love you both hold for each other will blossom and grow more and more with each passing day. May your wedding day be a day of precious memories for you to keep in your hearts and to cherish for the rest of your lives. And may it be not just the most perfect day, but the most magical day that you have both dreamed of. Many, many congratulations to you both on finding your forever in each other.
Good afternoon, everyone. For those of you who don't know me, I'm Jeremy, the immensely proud father of Lauren, and as father of the bride, it is an honour to make the first speech. So on behalf of myself, my wife Bev, Jake's mum and dad, Karen and Paul, I'd like to wish you all a warm welcome and to thank you all for coming here today to the stunning Gaynes Park to help us celebrate the wedding of Lauren and Jake.
Lauren, as I take you to be my wife, I promise to love you, to honour and respect you. I will stand by you and be true to you always. I will care for you, laugh with you when you are happy, comfort you when you're sad, and whatever life may bring, I will always love you.
Jake, as I take you to be my husband, I promise to love you, to honour and respect you. I will stand by you and be true to you always. I will care for you, laugh with you when you're happy, comfort you when you're sad, and whatever life may bring, I will always love you.
This is the first day of your new married life together, and we all hope it will be filled with much love, laughter and happiness. It therefore gives me the greatest of pleasure to say that you are now husband and wife and you may kiss.
Lol, you've always been my little girl. You're beautiful both inside and out, and confident in everything you do, extremely thoughtful, and you've got the most amazing smile which lights up the room. You're always happy and yet determined to do things your way, something which I'm sure Jake has possibly come across from time to time. You have a wide circle of friends, many of whom are here today, to help you celebrate your special day. As parents, when our children get married, we want them to be happy and loved. Everyone can see that the two of you are truly in love with each other, and we can both honestly say, Jake, that we've never seen Lauren happier. And we thank you for that. Okay. And that's it before I start involving them.
To Lauren, you look breathtaking today. You are my best friend, my partner in crime, and my greatest adventure. I can't wait to spend the rest of our lives making memories together. You inspire me to be a better person every single day. I love so many of your qualities. Your incredible kindness, your fierce loyalty, deep empathy, and boundless generosity, all of which make you the remarkable person you are. You truly are my forever person, and I can't wait to start this new chapter of our lives together. So let's start this celebration off right. Everyone please be upstanding and raise your glasses to the most important woman in the womb, my beautiful wife, to Lauren.
Thinking about you, baby. I'm not sleeping lately. Just thinking about you, baby.
It's Mister.